Okay, we're gonna open the box. This is EE112W LED floodlight. Okay, using the right screwdriver, open 2 screws. Okay, once the screw unlock, okay, you can open the cover. Okay, once open cover, yeah, using the right flat screwdriver, slowly, carefully open the light head on the both sides. So you can complete disassembly the unit. Okay, turn around so you can see the the wire connect. Okay, the wire connect just right here. 2 terminal. Okay, doesn't matter which side is hot, which side is neutral. This is for AC, doesn't matter. Okay, so you can plug in the stretch cable, one by one. Make sure using the right cable plug in. Okay, double check, make sure not loose, and then you can connect the power for next step testing. Okay, so you can see the cable on the back. Okay, power on. Okay, right now daytime condition, so the photocell will be detect daytime condition automatically. Shut down. Okay, nighttime's coming, photocell detect the nighttime condition, turn on by itself. Okay, turn right now daytime condition again, the light will be detected daylight condition, shut down. Okay, again nighttime condition, the light will be turned on by itself. So that's why this is dusk to dawn function.